Okay, parents, good morning. I just wanted to give you a very quick walkthrough of how to navigate to and inside of the companion, which is for the math map, and it is on CC Connected. So ccconnected.com. This will be the first page. You will log in using the credentials that you created when you enrolled your student. And this will be the first page you come to as a parent. You see I have it set to parent here. I also have access as a director, so I've made sure it's set it to parent so that it will only show what you would see. Click on Learning Center here on your left, and if you go up to the top, you see that the levels that your kids are in will be included here. And if you click Challenge, then you'll see that they have it separated into categories for each week of the semester, so that they're kind of more organized. You can get to the things you need each time you access a semester's content. You will find the companion if you use a search tool. You can click in here and write companion, or if you navigate to semester 1 week 7, click on it. It is the very first thing that comes up, the math map companion. Clicking on that link will open this page, and you will have a small version of the math map, but I always like to launch full screen so that I have the big version. And this is the opening page. It always does that for some reason. It comes back to this, and if you want to get to the math map, you just click on the corner. It opens the page. So here you are on the map, and to get to the week's content for our level, which is complex, you go underneath complex. Week 1 is ex nihilo. So when I click here, it takes me to the very first thing you see on the ex nihilo booklet. On the right hand side is a spiel that they give about how to use this, what it means, even gives little fun snippets about why there's this color involved, and you can, as you can see, these things light up when you go over them, so you can click on each of these things and it will give you more specific ways that those are helpful or that they can be used or why they're there. When you're ready to move on to the next page, you just go up to the right hand corner and click to navigate to the next page. Again, this is the conversation that you will see in the booklet, and this is the extra stuff for you to read and deepen the conversation. These little lines right here, if you click on them, it's just a quick navigation tool to get you wherever you want to go in the math map. There's even a glossary, a game. There's things in here that you don't even see in the math map. They're extra things. One more thing before we go. You can click on this at any time, this little compass. It will take you back to the math map page. That's bigger than I expected. And once you are here, this is what I clicked on to begin with, was the complex level. But if you were wanting to use, let's say, the naturals level, and you're going to go over that with your younger child, or even with your older one, if they're having a little bit of trouble with the complex level, let's just click on a random one. That you can get into a printable version of that week's lesson pages. I just clicked to print. It'll give you a little informational spiel, and then here below is a color copy of what the math map looks like for that level. You see how much bigger these numbers are and how simple these steps are. So that's how you would get to the part where you are gonna see another level besides complex. You have to go repeat that. So there's the part where I went to it. Let's see, I'm gonna launch this full screen again so we can start from the beginning. On the math map, which will change here in a second. There we go. Take the inside corner here. Here's the map. Find the level that you want to see and click on it, and then it will open a place to download that level. So I encourage you, as you are going through the weeks with your student, if you're not sure how to use the content, how to make it digestible for your student, go through the companion and see what all you can learn through here, what tools you can use that will help you. I don't know what I did there, but this is giving me some explanation. So anyway, use this tool to benefit you in your homeschool.